I'm videotaping it.
One, okay? Alright. No, you don't got a choice. You gotta listen to us on the boat. Alright.
Rocco, you gotta...
Breathe it in. Dale, dale.
Thank you.
All bit up in the flurry.
Big one.
The nicer one. I think they're getting bigger.
Come on, dude, muscle that thing in.
Yeah, dude.
You gotta tap into your inner Bruce Springsteen.
Let's go, Beans.
Come on, dude, let's go. Muscle that thing in. Don't let that fish show you who's boss.
And don't forget to guide that line, okay?
Guide that line.
Really alright, actually. Alright. Bring it in like a...
Crank that forearm, dude.
Yeah. Look at that fin. That's a nice
That's
one.
a
Look at that
beautiful.
tail, man.
Good one there.
How come you're getting all the fun?
You guys are having fun. Come on.
Come on, dude, let's go. This is why you lift all those weights.
That way, your rod tip like this, like grab the leader, or you can back up here and grab the steer and keep your rod tip down, okay? You go to the other side, same thing. Nice vision.
Look at that blue dot right there. Starting to spark up on us, change colors.
Got it.
No.
Got it. Look at that.
Let's go all the way to the boat. Yee, right in the bag, baby.
Oh,
Yee! Oh, it's a... Yeah! Say what's up. Hey, show us the shaka, Kevin. Show us the shaka. All right. There you go.
Good job, buddy.